In a world that equates power with size, elegance, one machine dares to challenge the status quo, to shrink the impossible without compromise. This is the Machenike GTS Mini PC, and it's not just a computer, it's a statement. At first glance, a masterclass in minimalist design, but then it moves. A dynamic smart display ascends, transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. This isn't just a screen, it's a window into the soul of performance. Real-time CPU load, GPU stats, temperatures, power limits, all updating instantly. Because why just use your PC when you can watch it think? Beneath that sleek exterior, a beast awakens. The Intel Core Ultra 9 285H delivers desktop-class performance in a chassis barely larger than your hand. 6 performance cores, 10 efficiency cores, clock speeds soaring to an astounding 5.4 GHz. Paired with the integrated Intel Arc Graphics 140T, you're empowered for seamless multitasking, demanding creative workflows, and even impressive light gaming, all without breaking a sweat. But this isn't just raw power. This is intelligence. An integrated AI accelerator boasting an incredible 99 tera operations per second gives creators and developers an undeniable edge. Machine learning, AI-driven applications, the future of computing is built right in. And when it's time to make it truly yours, the Machenike M Control software puts you in charge. From real-time display customization to ambient RGB lighting that reflects your mood, your workflow, your world. Precision personified. Connectivity? The GTS Mini PC doesn't just connect, it conquers. 3 USB-C ports, including 2 blazing fast USB 4.0 with 40 gigabits per second speeds, 4 USB-A ports, dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.4, and an aux port. Every connection a creator, a gamer, a professional could possibly ask for. And for future-proofing, up to 128 gigabytes of RAM and dual M.2 SSD slots make upgrades effortless. Compact, yes, but undeniably limitless. Currently available in China through JD.com, priced around $1,165 for the 64 gigabytes memory, 1 terabyte SSD configuration. Global availability? Still under wraps. But given Machenike's track record, a machine this revolutionary won't stay exclusive for long. Small, smart, spectacular. The Machenike GTS Mini PC isn't just another desktop alternative. It's a profound vision of what the future of computing looks like. Compact, intelligent, undeniably beautiful. Power, precision, personality. This is the Machenike GTS.